There we are.
Oh,
Yeah,
what a surprise.
quick teaser. But welcome, Marcin. Great to see you again. Always a pleasure, and thanks for joining.
Thanks for having me. Hi, Patrick. Hi, Vic. Hope the weather is also shiny and bright and warm like over here in Germany.
I
Yeah,
don't know about Victor, but I can tell you that in Switzerland it's pretty shiny and warm, but it's also
yeah,
not
yeah,
that far.
yeah.
It's been pretty cloudy over here lately, actually.
So, I don't know, Patrick. Are you already logged in? I hope that you are logged in so we can showcase this. Or
I'm logged in, and
okay.
now you have to walk me through.
Oh, okay. Or you
Or
are.
actually, before we do any of that,
Yeah.
give us like the short elevator pitch of what AdaQuest is about. Like, what are you
Oh,
building, and then maybe then we're gonna go into the gameplay.
okay. I thought that everyone knows already AdaQuest, so I don't have to introduce this.
I hope so.
But you have to log in. I see you should do this secretly because you are logged out as far as I see. You're from
I thought I logged in earlier. Okay,
yeah.
I'm gonna do it secretly.
Yeah, thanks. Okay, so AdaQuest, Cardano RPG project, free-to-play project in the future with 3 different phases. Currently in the mobile alpha, which we will showcase with Patrick and myself playing against each other. It's a PvP mode. And going for the second mode, it's our dungeon crawler, which will be hopefully one of the project catalyst funded project in the future. So super important for us. And the very important thing is that our game phases are interconnected, and you are looking currently on the website where you see this unique cards, and it's also the special thing that every card has not only positive but also negative, so a downside, because we like to balance everything. So we are not a pay to win, or you have to invest thousands of dollars to play our game, to be the best, to get the best setup or something like this. So that's super important, and you will be able to use every digital asset that you own in the game or you buy before you loot this. In every game mode we will develop in the future. Yeah, and currently you can see on the website also our YouTube dungeon dash teaser. This is our second phase I talked about, and the third phase will be more tactical, something like Warhammer Total War. So it's a whole world of Ada where everything is about gaining territory for your tribe, and collecting points for your tribe within a season. And that's what AdaQuest is, currently with a mobile app, web app, online. And I hope that you can hit the play button, Patrick.
I will.
And hit F12, because we like to. You have to hit F12 on your keyboard to go into the. Okay, it's Mac. So
Yeah, it's Mac. Whoop. It's a little bit difficult, unfortunately. Do I have to just move it into or make it smaller?
Yeah, you can do this because it's of course.
Okay.
You can do this. Yeah.
Whoop.
Because I thought on the Google Chrome you can use just the mobile view and everything is fine. That would be
Unfortunately
the best way. Okay, but you can resize the window as you like, and you see the first step. You can choose one of different characters down below, or just type in a character name for your barbarian here, and click on this red, and you are directly in the menu. The main menu, you see only Arena is currently available, but as usually in every RPG, first of all, you have to equip your character. You can do this by clicking on the small figure icon that you see down below, right? Yeah. And if you hit one of the slots, yeah, you can drag and drop the different equipment. So if you like to equip a weapon, you have to first click on the hand icon on the slot icon. Then you see the weapons. Of course, there's also two-handed weapons like this one you have equipped, or a sword. Then you have, of course, something like a helmet. So you have to click on the helmet. This is the overview that you already show. Yeah. And the next you see on the equipment slots, there are different.
Let me make this a little bit bigger. 1 second.
Yeah.
So, okay. Now it's better, I think.
So sorry to see this, because on a mobile it's looked completely different because it's optimized for a mobile. But whatever, to showcase this, this should be.
I just broke it. Okay. I'm so sorry. Okay, let me try this again.
Yeah. Just reload it. Just reload it, and that should be fine. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Yeah, just in the character view, and you can just go once again. Just click on the red box, because then it disappears down below.
Okay. Then it disappears. Okay, I just jumped into the arena.
Yeah. And if you jump into the arena, the tutorial is starting. So you see that's the whole experience is just optimized for mobile. So you can click here now, just the next button. Yeah. And then the search opponent window will appear. But you can cancel this, and I will just try to fight against you. So just super quick. I hit now the challenge button, and you should be challenged in a few seconds. Okay, you can accept it.
The fight starts.
Yeah, the fight starts, and of course there are points you can distribute to your abilities like strength, intelligence, agility. You see, this is the preview window where you see my character, and of course it's look really creepy in this window. Sorry guys, because you have to look really on a Chrome or on a mobile device to present.
Honestly, it looks good. It looks good. I think you can all imagine what it looks like on mobile.
Yeah.
I mean, I can make it a bit smaller as well, but
can you reload it once again, because they are fighting already, and I like to show something, because I guess Okay, that's
or should I go back?
Of course. Yeah, you see, you got 12 seconds to select here from different abilities and from different gadgets, but I see that the gadgets are not displayed. So let's do a quick surrender thing here, and you will see that I'm surrendering. I hope that that you win, and go back to the character screen, because you have, of course, to equip first of the abilities and so on. So let's go on the next register. You see this just on the top.
This one.
Yeah, click. Yeah, and then you see you can choose a health potion, for example, or a smoke bomb. But I would choose a health potion. Really, seriously, health potion. To equip, you have to first select it. Then the other slots are for the abilities. So just hit the other one of the black slots, and choose one of the abilities. One is an active one, the other is a passive one, so you can just drag and drop. Okay, and now you are fine. I will challenge you once again, super quick. Yeah. So here we go. Oh, not what?
Oh no, I
Okay.
accepted it.
Okay, perfect.
Perfect.
Great.
Yes.
Once again, and now you will see that you will be able to choose one of the abilities and one of the gadgets, and there are special rules. You know, like in a typical pen and paper game or turn-based game, you have the ability to choose one ability like this one. It's perfect. Then everything will be calculated and you see if you hit the character. Yeah. And of course the main goal is to hit me down to 0. Yeah. And to receive in the end points, rewards, and maybe in some cases also digital asset, which is called also NFT, that you will be owning this. And we have already sounds and already some visual effects, everything optimized for mobile. So you are able to try this out. Currently, you need one of these hero NFTs, which are currently also at something around 10 to 50 ADA if you look at the JPEG store. So it's super easy and nice and not so expensive to join the alpha. We have tournaments running and we optimizing the game as best as we can. But the main focus will be, of course, on the dungeon crawler. So this is more a casual turn-based experience. The dungeon crawler will be, of course, real-time and 2 versus 2 experience. Yeah. So that is what is currently going on. The idea behind this is not that you only have, of course, one class. You have different tribes. You have different abilities. Every tribe has different stats, different strength, different perks. So it's really something for people that like to deep dive into RPG games, very nichey. So if you like Dungeons and Dragons, you have also to figure out a lot of stats and so on. So this is currently what AdaQuest is offering to the RPG fans out there. Yeah.
Wonderful. No, I actually I've been a big fan of AdaQuest for a long time, mostly because I know, or to me, it really shows that you know what you're doing and that you have been developing games like this in the past, because you didn't have a lot of like budget. You're not one of the like super large NFT collections in Cardano yet, but you brought so much to the table. You have an amazing website. You have like your own marketplace in there. You have a game live, or at least the alpha of the game live. It's optimized for mobile, which I'm a big fan of, because as I keep saying, it's very important to build something for the real world and not just for the crypto people. And just the entry barrier is quite low. So this is really impressive, and I think it's one of the underrated gems in the Cardano space at the moment.
Okay, thank you. I'm a little bit, I'm a little bit sad because I hope that the Safari Apple browser would display this in a better quality. But so everyone.
I'm sorry for that. Next time I'll use Chrome, but maybe we can do another playthrough. But I think it shows, what it looks like. So, yeah.
It's absolutely fine, Patrick. I know that they are waiting a lot of projects, and they like to also show something. So we have not the time to change this. Okay, fine. Vic, you like to ask something?
Yeah, Marcin, I was wondering. So it's optimized for mobile. Is it available, or when will it be available for Android and Apple?
So since we are a web app, then the nice thing about this, since we are on a web app, the nice thing about this, you can run it on really every mobile browser. So
Nice.
it doesn't matter, even if you have a Microsoft telephone, if somebody out there still have a Nokia phone or something like this, we test this also already on this, because it only matters what kind of browser you're running. So it's optimized for Chrome and Safari. This is where we have looked into it. So for Safari mobile browsers, of course. And that's all you need. So it's not a native app like you have to download it before in the App Store or something like this.
Awesome. Thanks, Marcin.
Yep, you're
Oh,
welcome.
and where can people go to find you? More information on
So,
AdaQuest.
You saw already that Patrick showed this. You can start directly on our website, ada-quest.com. Visit our Discord. We are a small, nice community, around 1,000 people on our Discord server. And yeah, we are available. You can ask questions or join us on Twitter or follow us on Twitter. Yeah, and that's the best way to get in touch with us. All you have to do is register on the website and log in, sync your wallet, and yeah, then start to play.
Awesome. And you can also see that he has his website on his username, which is very smart. So you guys can see it right there, adaquest.com, ada-quest.com.
ada-quest.com. Yeah, right.
That's very smart indeed. Yeah, thank you so much, Marcin. It was great talking to you. Thank you for your time. I think, you heard everything that I said. I think it's very impressive. And yeah, and thank you so much for everything you've done for the Cardano community and also for the gaming community in Cardano. So really cool.
Thank you for having me. And yeah, just everyone else who is watching this, test this or reach out to us. It would be great.